Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to withdraw a large amount of money from TD Bank. First, visit your local TD Bank branch in person. Large withdrawals typically require you to speak with a bank teller or a representative. It's a good idea to call ahead or notify the branch at least 24 hours in advance to ensure they have sufficient cash available for the withdrawal. When you arrive, let the teller know the amount you wish to withdraw. You may be asked to provide identification, such as a government-issued ID or a debit card. If you are withdrawing a large sum, the bank may ask you to complete a withdrawal slip or provide additional verification. If you're withdrawing from a business account or making a transfer, the process may vary slightly, and additional documentation may be required. After the transaction is completed, you will receive your cash, and any necessary receipts for the withdrawal will be provided. If you'd rather not visit the bank in person, you may also be able to arrange a wire transfer or use a third-party service to move the funds. However, these methods may take more time to process and may include additional fees. Thanks for watching the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.